Hi guys, it is day 7 of Vlogmas and today's sewing inspiration is this cute Christmas tote bag. So every day for the next 24 days I'm going to offer you some sewing Christmas inspiration. I'm going to be making my bag really scrappy, so I'm going to make it out of these 5-inch squares and then make up the bottom and the top of the bag again. So I'm going super scrappy with this, keeping it all holiday themed. I have now attached the top and the bottom of my bag. I am now going to start doing some decorative stitches in the seam line, and I'm going to attach some ribbons and really bling this bag out. Here's my first decorative stitch and my ribbon. Let's keep going. So as you can see, I've used so many different decorative stitches on my soprano. I've used it to tack down my ribbons in place. I have used it to decorate part of my bag at the top here. I've also just used a thread design here, as well as, I don't think it's showing up so cool, this square type pattern. So I've used quite a lot of the decorative stitches, just tacking down ribbons and just making my bag really unique and pretty. I always find making straps to be super boring. So here we go, I have my straps, I have my external of my bag and my internal of my bag. I am just going to continue on and get this bag all finished, and you can see what this looks like at the end. Okay, so I'm a complete sucker when it comes to like this holographic thread. And it's slightly sparkly and it's in dark green. So I am top stitching all of my bag down using this holographic sparkly thread. Because like it needs more bling, right? And here we go, we have one Christmas themed tote bag that's lined with holly. I hope I've inspired you to make your Christmas tote bag, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my next video. Bye guys.